Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer cake. To begin, gather your essential ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, and butter, along with your chosen beer. Make sure all your wet and dry components are precisely measured. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare your cake pans by greasing and flouring them. This careful preparation ensures a smooth start to your baking adventure. Next, whisk your dry ingredients together in one bowl and your wet ingredients in another. Gradually combine the wet mixture into the dry, mixing until just incorporated. Now, gently fold in your beer, being careful not to overmix, which can make the cake dense. Pour the batter evenly into your prepared pans and bake for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once your cake layers are baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack. This step is crucial to prevent your frosting from melting. While they cool, prepare your favorite frosting. A cream cheese or chocolate ganache works wonderfully with beer cake. Once cooled, carefully stack your layers, spreading an even amount of frosting between each, and then frost the top and sides for a beautiful finish. Finally, slice your beautifully crafted beer cake and serve it to your eager guests. You can garnish it with chocolate shavings, toasted nuts, or a dusting of cocoa powder for an extra touch. It's perfect for any gathering, offering a unique twist on a classic dessert. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Enjoy the delightful flavors and the satisfaction of your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.